Wild boars are fascinating creatures that are often misunderstood. They are intelligent, social animals that play an important role in the ecosystem. Wild boars are thought to have originated in Europe and Asia. They were introduced to North America by European settlers in the 1600s. Wild boars are large, muscular animals with thick fur. They have a long snout and a pair of tusks that can grow up to 12 inches long. Wild boars are excellent swimmers and can even hold their breath for up to 6 minutes. Wild boars are social animals that live in groups called sounders. Sounders can range in size from a few animals to over 100. Wild boars are active during the day and night and spend most of their time foraging for food. Wild boars are omnivores and eat a variety of plants, fruits, nuts, and insects. They will also eat carrion and small animals. Wild boars reach sexual maturity at about 18 months old. Sows, female wild boars, can give birth to a litter of up to 12 piglets. Piglets are born with their eyes open and can walk within a few hours of being born. Wild boars play an important role in the ecosystem. They help to control populations of small animals and insects. They also help to aerate the soil and disperse seeds. Wild boars are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, hunting, and disease. Habitat loss is the biggest threat to wild boars. As human populations grow, wild boars are losing their natural habitat. Hunting is another major threat to wild boars. Wild boars are hunted for their meat and tusks. Disease is also a threat to wild boars. Diseases such as swine fever and brucellosis can devastate populations of wild boars. The future of wild boars is uncertain. However, there are a number of things that we can do to help these animals, such as supporting organizations that are working to protect wild boars, donating to conservation efforts, and educating others about the importance of wild boars. Here are some additional facts about wild boars that you may not know. Wild boars can grow up to 6 feet long and weigh up to 600 pounds. Wild boars can run up to 30 miles per hour. Wild boars have a keen sense of smell and can detect food from up to 6 miles away. Wild boars are very strong and can easily overturn objects that weigh hundreds of pounds. Wild boars are considered to be an invasive species in some parts of the world. I hope you enjoyed this exclusive article about the wild and wonderful world of wild boars. Wild boars are fascinating creatures that play an important role in the ecosystem. We must do everything we can to protect these animals and ensure their future.